Good morning dear students. Today we are going to learn next topic of our English subject, and the name of our topic is activity time. The name of our topic is activity time. So let's play the activity. Now dear students, tell me how many letters are there in English grammar? There are 26 letters in English grammar. There are 26 letters in English grammar. And you know that these are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are letters in our English grammar. In English alphabet, these are 26 letters. So dear students, among them there are some vowels. Among them there are some vowels and some consonants. So first tell me the vowels. Vowel. Now first see the definition of vowel. A vowel is a sound produced with a comparatively open configuration of the vocal tract. In everyday language, a vowel is a letter, that means sound, of the English alphabet that is not a consonant. What is vowel? A vowel is most often identified as a letter that is not a consonant. More specifically, a vowel is a sound that when paired with a consonant makes a word. A vowel is any sound that a letter makes that is not a consonant sound. What are the vowels? There are 5 vowels in English grammar. There are 5 vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels in English grammar. Sometimes Y can also function as a vowel, but it is not considered a vowel in and of itself. Now see some examples of vowels in words. CAT, cat. In this word, A is a vowel. Next word, STRAAT. E and E are vowels in this word. Next word is LATE, let. In this word, A and E are vowels. Now see vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants are two different sounds. A consonant is most often identified as a letter that is not a vowel. Now English consonants. English consonants are, there are 21 consonants in English. Which are they? They are B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. See the consonants again. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Consonants and vowels do not make syllables on their own. A vowel paired with a consonant makes a syllable. Examples of consonants in word. See the first word, BIN, bin. In this word, B and N are the consonants. Second word, stool. ST and L are the consonants in this word. Now next one, chair. CHAIR. In this word, C, H and R are the consonants in these words. Now words by using vowels and consonants. You can make many words which have both the letters. Which have both the letters means which have the vowels also and which have the consonants letters also. So, make the words by using vowels and consonants. This is your activity. You have to pick any word from vowel list and again you have to pick any 2 words or 3 words from consonants and you have to make these words. For example, I am going to pick one vowel from the vowels and 2 consonants from the consonants. So, first word SIT, sit. I pick I from the vowel and S and T from the consonant list. So, the words I made SIT, sit. Now, second word is again I pick S, H and F from the consonants and I from the vowels. FISH, fish. Third word is. Fourth one GOAT. Again here I am going to take 2 vowels O and 2 consonants and then I made the word GOAT, goat. The next word is DOG, dog. FROG, frog. BAT, bag. TALL, tall. In the TABLE, table. In this word again I took 2 vowels and 3 consonants. Now see the next word bed. BED, bed. In this word I take only 1 vowel and 2 consonants. FAN, fan. MAN, man. PEN, pen. NEST, nest. In this word I took 3 consonants and 1 vowel and I made the word NEST, nest. COW, cow. SUN, sun. WINDOW, window. In this word see how many vowels are there? There are 2 vowels and how many consonants are there? There are 4 consonants. Which are they? WNDW and I made the words WINDOW, window. Again see the last word LEMON, lemon. In this word I took 2 vowels and 3 consonants. In this way you can make so many words as possible as you.